Wow. Not edible.
Hi, I'm Frank Clay, Curator of the Battleship Missouri Memorial, and welcome to another episode of Cooking Under the Gun, Navy recipes nobody asked for. And in today's episode, we're going to be preparing grapefruit and celery salad. So for this recipe, it's actually very simple. It only takes 4 ingredients. Now, the original recipe will yield approximately 5 gallons or 100 portions of this salad. What you need are 4 cups of grapefruit sections, halved, 1 1/4 cups of diced celery, 1 1/4 cups of coarsely chopped lettuce, and 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. So assembly is actually very simple. You want to mix the ingredients together. So first we're going to add our grapefruit. Then we are going to add our, let's see if I can get brave, celery and lettuce as well. And of course you want to add your 2/3 cups of mayonnaise. And that is it. There is literally no spices or no other seasonings. We want the ingredients to speak for themselves because they're just so delicious. Look at that. Such a pantheon of colors and textures all coming together nicely. Oh, see, we got to the bottom. We got all that grapefruit goodness. And there you go. So we have a special guest here with us today, and this is Ralph Pabon, one of our good friends. He is actually a recommissioning crew member of the USS Missouri, so he's used to Navy chow. So we're going to give him a sample of some World War II Navy chow right now. So
let's do it.
Let's give you a nice, healthy portion of this beautiful grapefruit and celery salad. And let me know what you think.
Let me get a little bit of everything here.
Got to get it all together, man. This is where the regret hits you.
Wow. Not edible. A whole bunch of separate flavors that do not mix. Does not go well together at all.
So on a rating of 1 through 10, how would you rate this? With 1 being the worst and 10 being the best food you've ever ate?
I would say maybe 1.
A 1? Okay.
Because it's substance and you put in something in your system, but wow.
So 1 out of 10.
Not a good thing. Not a good experience.
From Chief Pabon here. So now that we have our grapefruit and celery salad portioned, let's take this on board and let's see what the crew thinks. All right, ladies, here is some grapefruit and celery salad.
Why do I feel like I'm going to have a worse time with this
one? I want more grapefruit. Does that have a dressing on it?
Mayonnaise.
I feel like you could have said that before I agreed to this.
See, Addison, you all right. You know how to sniff your food first.
Okay. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, go big.
Oh,
Not bad.
I guess because we're Asian, man. It's not that bad.
It's not as bad as I thought that it would be. But this is more than
She hit the
enough.
celery.
I think somebody was looking for a way to use up lettuce and grapefruit before they both went bad.
It's not the worst thing I've tasted. It's not feet, like chicken feet, pig feet.
It wasn't that slimy stuff from the last episode.
Oh, dear God, yeah.
Ugh, Jesus.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
It's because we're Asian.
I think it's more the Chinese side for me.
South Meat.
It has a very grotesque flavor to it.
Actually, pretty good.
All right, pretty good.
No lie, right? Okay. It's good, actually. I like it.
It tastes spoiled. I think it's the vinegar. Is there vinegar in here? No, just mayonnaise?
I don't hate it as much as I thought I was gonna.
It's not bad. I like the grapefruit.
I like it. Maybe we can dunk him into the harbor.
I like this. Yeah, this is good.
This is good.
Yeah.
I finished it.
It's good. Okay. Gracias.
Oh my God. I find the bitterness of the grapefruit at the end unnecessary, but
You know what makes it better? Sauerkraut.
Sour, crunchy. It's good.
There's a very bitter aftertaste that just kind of
it's still there.
really lingers. For my Midwest friends, if you've ever tried Malort before, it's very much like Malort in a salad.
It's refreshing.
One bite's enough.
Good. Refreshing. I can drink.
It's an acquired taste. The mayo and the grapefruit you normally don't put together.
It ain't not good, but it's not bad.
No, very crunchy. I like
But
it.
it's something that make you sad.
Like celery.
Is that the worst part?
Yeah. Kind of reminds me of like lomi salmon. Like it gives that kind of texture.
It's like a bitter and sweet. I really like it.
You don't feel happy eating that though, right?
I love it. Come on. A lot of mayonnaise. I feel like you could have done less mayonnaise, but I like it.
What do you rate it out of 10 stars?
2.
Yeah, a 2. I mean, I'm not bringing this to the potluck, but I give it a 7.
5.
That's a 10 out of 10 for me.
I would need it on my own. I wouldn't make it.
I would.
You're gonna make it at home. I'm not eating at your house.
Like a good summer snack, maybe an 8. It's not bad. No, 5. That's a 5.
Maybe 4.
A 7.
9.
9.
8.
Solid 8 out of 10. An 8 out of 10. Kind of reminds me of lomi salmon. Not too bad.
I agree. 8 out of 10.
3. Just make me feel sad.
Very well. 9?
Oh, a 9. A 9? Allison, I'm gonna bring you some 9 food. That wasn't
Really?
a 9.
Okay,
No,
sure.
that
Thanks.
Yeah, that was a strong 3.5.
No, it's really good.
Okay.
So that's our take on grapefruit and celery salad. And judging by the reactions of our crew, I am very disappointed in them. A surprising amount of them seem to enjoy the grapefruit and celery salad. I, for one, did not. So, hey, to each their own. If you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. And also, please sign up for all of our social media accounts to keep up with the Mighty Mo. Aloha.